Hi guys, this is Gordon Attard for your next video tutorial on how to use certain things on PeopleString. Today I'm going to show you how to add your favorite websites on your PeopleString homepage. So to do that, what you need to do is to go to your favorite website. I have one ready here. I'm a food lover. I chose this website. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight the URL, right click on it, you copy the URL, and then you go to your homepage, your PeopleString homepage. You scroll down, okay, and you've got here your favorites. So what you need to do is to click on add, the add button, and here you've got this small window. On the first bar you simply right click and you paste your URL, and then you enter your preferred label, the name of the website. I'm gonna write it, and that food, and then simply just click add. This will be added under your favorites. You can add as much as you like, and then you can assemble them by going on the left hand side. You see all the 4 arrows. Just keep clicking the left mouse click, okay, and you can scroll down, okay, and up, whatever you like. Example, I'm gonna leave it here, okay, and you can of course manage all your favorites like that. Okay, another interesting and cool feature is that you can edit by just hover on the favorite website. You can rename it, okay, you just click on that. Example, I'm gonna change the name, etc., and just then click edit. I'm not gonna do that, I'm just gonna leave it like that, okay. And then of course you can click on this horizontal red button, small red button, and you just delete the favorite, this website. I found it pretty cool, and another good thing is when you click on your favorite website through the PeopleString homepage, to your PeopleString homepage, you actually are generating your ads on here, as you see this banner, and perhaps in here as well. So these are all generating you're generating actually the PeopleString on your PeopleString, you're generating advertisement. So you're gonna be paid to do that as well. So I consider you to start adding your favorite websites in here, and it's pretty simple. I found it very comfortable and no hassle at all. Example, if there is a show that I would like, I just click on it, or a news site, I just click on it. I'm putting money into my pockets, and it's pretty comfortable to have it around. That's all for this short video tutorial on how to add your favorite websites on your PeopleString homepage. I'm Gordon Attard. Thank you once again for your attention. See you in the next video tutorial.